Hey guys, my name is Brian McGlenn here with MarineMax and Stuart. Today we're going to take you through a quick walkthrough video of the Boston Whaler 365 Conquest. Guys, this boat is truly one of the most versatile models in the entire Whaler lineup. Whether you're looking for day boating features, overnight weekend trips, family features, or fishing features, this boat can truly do it all. Let's hop onto it and we'll show you why. Starting here in the cockpit of the 365 Conquest, we're powered with triple 400 V10 horsepower Mercuries. Plenty of rod storage here along the transom. Easy boarding access over there along the starboard side. We have a telescoping 4-step ladder. Guys, this boat is perfectly optioned out for both cruising and fishing. So here in the transom area, we have a very large transom seat with an elevated backrest, very comfortable to sit in. We do have the electric sunshade up above to provide coverage for you and your guests. But very quickly, this boat converts into an amazing fishing boat. So here along the port side, we have a live well, plenty of rod holders up and down both gunnels. We do have this boat outfitted with outriggers, starboard side dive door, fish boxes here in the deck. As we walk forward, the versatility of this boat is really what makes it stand apart. So if you're out there fishing, want to face backwards, watch your lines, this backrest pulls forward. You have a great line of sight looking back. We do have a footrest that will pull out down below for an easy step up. But it simply pushes back. You have a great table here in the center, which easily raises up. Again, back to the versatility of this boat. When you bring this table down, you extend the table. We do have a filler cushion that'll go in between the two seats to offer a nice lounger. But as you're cruising from point A to point B, your guest may want to be facing forward, which is why we designed this with a second forward-facing seat. So we have 2 rows here along the port side. And notice the opening windows on port and starboard side. These simply slide. Again, this area is climate controlled. We do have AC, a dedicated AC unit for this area. But if you want some natural wind, you just pop both windows open. Here along the starboard side, this boat's extremely well appointed with electronics. So we have dual SIMRAD displays. This is going to do all your chart plotting, your radar, your sonar. We've also incorporated digital switching, so check this out. You can actually see a view of the boat, and as you turn certain systems on or off, you're going to see it show up right here on the SIMRAD screen. This boat is Seakeeper stabilized as well, and you have your VHF radio just off to the side. Joystick control, Lenco trim tabs, Mercury throttles. Another thing you want to note looking forward, you have a great line of sight. Single one-piece windshield, no obstructions. We have vents there in the top port and starboard side. As we step down inside the cabin, guys, this cabin is massive for a 36-footer. We have a convertible forward dinette, tap of a button right over here to the starboard side. So sleeping for 4 here on this 36-foot cruiser, 2 here. We do have an aft berth that we have some storage items in right now. And then off to the port side, we have a nice galley, refrigerator, sink, a nice seating area. And then here along the starboard side, we do have a dry head with the rain shower up on top. As we walk up to the bow here, you have nice handrails on the hardtop and also nice high bow rails, providing safe access up front. You're greeted with a nice lounger, cup holders, very well appointed windlass anchor up on the front. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn here with MarineMax and Stuart. Thank you for coming through the 365 Conquest with us. Feel free to give us a call, 561 635-6811. Thank you very much.